Stand up, be bold, be strong, take the whole responsibility on your own shoulders, and know that you are the creator of your own destiny. All the strength and succor you want is within yourself. A beautiful quote by Swami Vivekanand. Our destiny lies in our own hands. It is up to us to utilize the qualities given by God. With this beautiful quote of Swami Vivekanand, I am Meenakshi Chaudhary standing before you to conduct today's morning assembly. Prayer is not an attempt to change God's mind, but it's an attempt to let God change our mind. So let's become closer to God. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. Put down your hands. Pledge turns out our values, beliefs, and vision for the country. It is important that we continue to work for our country and always pride ourselves as a nation. So be ready for pledge. My dear friends, yesterday was 12th January, marks the 155th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand, who was a figure of high thinking and simple living. He was a great pious leader, a philosopher, and an inspiration for the youth of India. Let's move along to the next item. For today's thought, I would like to call Sambhav from class 8. Today's thought is you can't believe in God until you believe in yourself, said by Swami Vivekanand. Means belief builds strength of determination, belief builds strength of will, it creates flexibility. When we strongly believe in ourselves, we perform in better and in smarter way. First, we need to believe in ourselves to access our spirituality, then we only can believe in God. Thank you. Have a good day. Reading newspaper is a good habit. Newspaper is a great source of knowledge and information related to sports, economy, trade, politics, etc. This habit makes us well informed. To give us today's news update, I would like to call Hansika from class 8. Thank you, Hansika, for updating us. Swami Vivekanand was famous for his spirituality, smart, and strong personality. I would like to call Hriday to say something about Swami Vivekanand. Thank you, Hriday. The world is filled with mysteries. Some are known, some are unknown. But when unknown becomes known and verified, it becomes fact. Here is Shama from class 7 with some amazing facts from around the world that will really leave you amazed. Thank you, Sama, for awareing us with such amazing facts. After the national anthem, thank you. Have a nice day ahead.